Hi, this is the HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and now we could see that we just created the new home screen folder. If you want to rename the folder, hold for a while, tap to, not to enlarge, tap to rename and enter the new one, for example the apps, tap to OK, and that's it. Also we could rename it by another way, just open the folder, click only once to the name and enter the new one, for example the games. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. We could also make it bigger or smaller, so hold it for a while, tap to enlarge, or also you could shrink it. You could also change the size just to use the custom one by this way. So to remove the application from the folder, also you could add here more applications just in one click. Click to this plus icon, select the applications which you want to add to your folder, tap to OK, and that's it. To remove them by the same way, you could unselect the applications from here, tap to OK, and also we could just select the application, hold it and drag it to the home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.